Sorry guys, naputol. You want the ball? Yan po si Papito. 30. Halika, let's go get some balls. Let's go. Dito. Hindi kaya giniginaw yan pagka ano. Okay. Tingnan po natin si Chonggita, guys.
Tingnan mo, tingnan nyo. Hi guys. Our little Chongi is here.
Gising.
Oh, yan mo siya.
Gising siya.
Yun o, naglalaro-laro lang po siya sa kanyang cave.
Bebe, you ready? Ito. Ready? Okay.
This one.
Which one? You wanna join Papito? Can you hit the ball? Practice muna tayo. Ready? 1, 2, go! Yeah! So pa. Me ready? Look at Mamita Tushi, ha? Ready, Tutsi? Baka tamaan niyo ako. Takot ako. Look. Huwag niyo ako tatamaan. Yay! See, like that, bebe? So pa? Here, give it to me. Ready? Go, go, go! Wow!
Si Mami naman, si Mami ka ay Mami.
Hindi, nagpa-vlog ako eh.
Kaya nga ako mag-ahok.
Huwag na, huwag na. Ayoko.
Madali ako mag-agano ng ball. Dali si Mimi naman. Hold the racket, Tutsi. You hold the racket and I'll do ano.
I'll do it.
Like this. Hold the racket. And then here. Okay, you stay here, okay? You see the line?
Ito po si Chonggita. Tingnan natin natin. Hi, bebe. Hi. Tulog ka pa dyan, ha?
Like that.
Parang hindi masyadong ginawin. Okay. Ito po si Chonggita. Tulog ka lang dyan, bebe, ha? Sip ka muna dyan. Ano yan? Ay, sorry. Okay. Wow!
Okay.
Oh, sige. Yeah, it's a plane. Oh, sige, go. Ready?
Okay, Tutsi, okay. 1, 2, 1. Oh, galing ni Tutsi. One more. Okay, Tutsi, one more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, wow.
Wow!
You hit the ball like this, huh? Oh, yun. Ako.
Get it, Tuti! Get it! Buti na lang may jacket si Tuti. Oh my God, ang hangin.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Go, Tuti! Uy, maglola.
I'll do it. Hindi na talaga mag-tennis, guys.
Oh, bless you.
We need to buy
Bless you, Chonggita. Ito yung baby namin.
Okay, go.
Anak na, yun na daw. Kasi makita. Hi! Sus. Tulog ka lang dyan, ha? Loading ka pa. Wow! Sige.
Gusto niya papatamain to, no? Sige, game.
Dan, sige.
Give me the racket and get the ball. Come on, get the ball.
Ayusin lang natin to guys para siguradong hindi pinapasok ng tamig si Chongita. Medyo mahangin kasi dito.
Meron na kaming tennis player. Future. Tingin ako si mama na lang. Ikaw naman. Tingnan nila ako. Ako naman dito sa vlog.
Ibababa ko ito para di umaandar.
Ayun na po. Yung nanay naman ang papalit. Practice how to hold the racket and throw the ball. Ayun po guys, yung dalawa, yung magbiyanan lalaro, tapos yung mag-ina ayan naman, oh see, nagpa-practice humawak ng ball dahil ayan ang aming future tennis player. Tutsi wave. Tutsi, tingnan ko nga yung future tennis player natin. Tutsi, mag-wave ka muna.
Wave ka muna kay Mamita.
O, sabi mo, o.
Tutsi. Oh, here's
Tutsi.
Wave ka muna doon.
Oo. Our future tennis player. Pose like a beauty queen nga. Tingnan natin. Tapos, ano na yan? O, tennis player pa yan. Okay, tingnan ko nga. One more pose.
Here.
Tutsi, one more pose. Tutsi, one more pose, please. Uy! Tutsi boot, one more pose. Ako ng teteng, anak, ayaw akong pakinggan. Tingnan mo itong nanay. Yung nanay naman, pose like a beauty queen. Ay, tawagin mo rin na. Dito tayo on the other side. Dito tayo sa kabilang side. Ayun ang kanyang lolo at ang kanyang daddy. They are playing tennis.
It's too high, but you can't reach it. Tuti, look. Over here. Look. So high. Look.
Ayan na po guys. Mama, papa, titos and titas. Ayun, no, dali go. Oo, don't run. Don't run. Walk only. Ayun po, medyo malayo yung narating ng ball. Kukunin ng mag-ina. Kukunin nilang mag-mami. Let us check for the baby. Ito po yung baby namin. Tingnan natin kung okay lang ba siya. Ayun, gising po siya. Gising po yung baby. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan na muna natin kasi malamig hangin. So dito muna tayo sa aking future tennis player and future beauty queen. Ito po yung ball na punta sa akin. Yun. Ayan na naman, inabol na naman ng mag-ina. Well, meron silang kinakatingting doon, di natin alam. Let us glance doon sa dalawang player natin. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan, naglalaro sila. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung baby namin. Ayun, nananahimik, gumagalaw-galaw. It means she's awake. Tingnan dit natin. Ay! Thank you, baby. Ayun po, tumatakbo na naman yung magnanay kasi itong bola po hinahabol nila kung saan-saan pumupunta yung bola. Tutsi, pose like a beauty queen nga. Ayun naman talaga. Wave. Wave. Smile. Smile. Ayun. Wanna see the baby? She's awake. I want to drink. Oh, get your water.
No. Here, drink some water first.
Ayun yung polo, anak. To see, oh. Drink ka muna ng water. Don't hold that. It's dirty.
Here. Here. Okay, we'll go over there. There. Ito muna water. Wait lang. One more.
Are you tired, Tutsi? No?
May water kayo?
Mamaya.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, you get the ball. Walk slowly, okay? Don't run, Tutsi boat. Kukunin po niya yung ball sa kabilang side. Ayun. Ayan, naglalakad na yung aking future beauty queen.
Siguro tumatagos yung hangin dito.
Hindi. Chinecheck ko naman siya. Tutsi, come on. Get the ball. Wait for mama, okay?
Hangin.
Tutsi, there. The ball is there, oh, look. There. Oh, kasi naman naka-sunglass, di makita yung ball eh. Yan. Oh, ayan, kay mama. Wow! Oh, galing! Oh, galing ni mama. Galing ni mama. Oh, wag mo masyadong malakas. Oh, dali, get the ball. Kawawa yung baller natin. Ano ba tawag doon? Ball girl. Naku, mukhang may naririnig ako. Teka lang po, ha? Ayun, umiiyak na po yung aming hi! Chikiting gubat! Oo, chikiting gubat! Oo! Ayan po yung aming chikiting. Umiiyak-iyak siya. Mag-ising. Tinawakan mo kay baby. Ikaw muna magawa.
Lapit po dito pa si Chungita.
Oo, kaya nga yung lalakad-lakad po.
Tataas me. Mama. Hi. Wow. Yeah. Papasok ka? Go ahead. Mama. You want me to go through? Okay. Let's go. Yes. Okay. Mimi. Mimi. Oh, Mimi's busy, bebe. Mi, papadodoin ko muna yan. Mi, papadodoin ko. Okay na. Hi. That's the bench. Sabi mo. Si Mamita. What's that? Windy. Papatudoin ko na. Ami dadalhin ko muna yun sa kotse. Dadalhin ko muna doon. Chongi
Paano ito pag inano?
Sige, block nyo lang. Tapusin nyo lang.
Ayun muna ka na. Tutsi, we're gonna wait for mama, ha? Opo, wait lang. Wait lang, oo. Antayin natin si mama, ha? Saan? No, mama is feeding the baby, ha? Because the baby is crying. You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear the baby? Okay. What's this? Oh, this is your ano, Tutsi. Oh, it's come here.
No, dito.
Ha? Oh, Tutsi. Ikabit muna natin yung hair mo.
Dito.
Ha? Look at your hair. Oh, nakatayo-tayo tuloy.
Oh no.
Oh no, yeah. May kinakalikot po siya. Yan. Tutsi, what's that? Can you fix it? Tutsi, can you fix that? Oo, can you fix that? ayos po niya na. Oh, thank you.
Mama.
Ayun si Dada, Eddie. Malco, oh, dali, you play with Didi.
No, here.
Ah, okay, here. Malco, dito ka daw, oh. Later, okay, because they are playing.
Mama.
Oh, wait for Mama. Because Mama will feed Chongi and then they come back here, okay? Alright? O, sige, but for now, let's play. Oo. Dali, throw mo daw yung ball. Okay? Oo. Oh, Toti, oh, yun daw, dali, oh. Catch the ball. Oh, throw it again. Okay, then catch. Mahina lang, mahal ko. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, Toti, come on. Here. Oh, yan na.
Catch the ball, Tuti.
Oh.
Catch.
No. Yung ball po. Kunin mo dali. Kinukuha niya po yung ball. Yung tinraw niya sa...
Catch the ball.
May og malakas, mahal ko.
Catch, Tuti. Catch the ball. Tuti. Catch the ball. Yay!
Oh, throw the ball to D. Dali, throw. Harder. Oh, harder. More.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna wait for Mama, ha?
Yay!
Oh, okay, that's enough.
Catch.
Oh, catch mo na dali. Oh.
Catch.
Okay, Tutsi, let's get some ball. There. Maglalaro na kayo, mahal ko. This one, Tutsi, oh. This is nice. Oh, look. This is new. This is ugly. Look, it's dirty, oh. It's dirty. This is good. And then the other one. You get the other one. You have 2 balls already. Okay. Oh, here. We're gonna go here. You put it there. Or on the other side. Tutsi on the other side.